Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I had to literally turn all the lights on because it's getting so dark outside, so I hope you see me very well. So today I'm gonna do a tutorial on my brand new palette, which is the Norvina palette. I got this for Christmas and I still haven't posted anything with it, so except a picture on Instagram, but I'm gonna do something different today. So I already did my face. Like usual, I used concealer on my foundation because it's too heavy. Brows and everything like usual, nothing new. And now we are going to get started. So I have my hair up, my typical 2-bun style. This is when I don't know what to do. So let's jump right into the tutorial. Let me just show you really quickly how the palette looks like. It's so pretty. Like, I really love this. I'm gonna take the color Base, since it's a base, and apply it as a base. It's a little shimmery, so I'm applying this all over my lid. After that, I'm gonna take a kind of crease brush, like so. This is the Zwiva 230 brush that I'm gonna... I didn't say the color right. I'm gonna take the color Soul, this color right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease with precision. I'm gonna take my NYX blending brush and blend this in. Then I'm gonna do the other eye and come back. So after long minutes of blending and blending, this is what I came up with. As you can see, I tried to do it really precise. I'm gonna try to zoom in while editing this video. So the next step, I'm gonna take, I'm gonna try to do a kind of cut crease. I'm gonna say kind of because cut creases are hard to do. So I have my laptop right in front of me. This is where I'm looking down from the Pinterest inspiration that I got. I'm gonna take the color Wild Child, which is this pretty pinkish goldish color, and I'm gonna take this one from the Zwiva. It's the 234, and I'm gonna pack that color in my inner corner. So now it looks like this. I really like the look. Now we are going in with Celestial, you know what I mean? This color, with the same brush. I could have also used a bit of Fix Plus, but I didn't because I think it's doing its job. I'm gonna take another brush because don't wet your brush. So I did one eye, I'm gonna do the other eye and come back. So now I'm done doing both of my eyes. Now it's time to highlight my brow bones. I'm gonna use this brush with Base again, and I'm gonna highlight my entire brow. Like so. And I'm gonna put some shimmer in my inner corner. So I'm gonna use Dreamer, which is this color right here. Ooh. To highlight my inner corner. Oh, you could definitely use this as a highlight, yo. This color is poppin'. Then I'm gonna clean everything, and I'm gonna take my blending brush and just blend everything together. I'm maybe adding a bit more of the Soul on the outside. And I'm gonna add Soul also under my eyes. Like so. Now I'm gonna re-blend everything. Now I'm gonna put some eyeliner and mascara. So as eyeliner, I use the eyeliner from NYX, the Epic Ink liner. This is going to be really hard now. I'm gonna take my mirror just quickly and do that off camera, I guess, and then come back because I can't do that on camera. So that's it. I put eyeliner on. Let me know if you want me to do a eyeliner tutorial. Now I'm gonna put on mascara. I'm gonna use the NYX one because this is the one I have right now, but I think it's almost empty. So I just put on some Strip Down by MAC because this is the only lipstick I have right now, lip liner that I have right now, and I put chapstick on because my lips are very dry. So that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was okay with the lighting because right now, yeah, it's getting dark like at 4 p.m. so it's a bit hard to film. And I hope you had a nice day, night, and I catch up with you guys later. Today I can't speak. So see you next time. Bye.